Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I am going to be trying to build a programmable computer in Minecraft. So this right here is the schematic for the CPU, which is the main part of the computer. So yeah, this is basically the CPU, and I'm just gonna get working on this. I'm gonna start with the ALU since that's probably gonna be the hardest, and then I'll do the registers after. But I'll be back when it's done. Okay, so I built this, and this is the ALU. You don't need to worry about why it's absolutely massive. It just works. It's kind of cool. It has like one machine for each thing. Like, for example, if I wanted to do 5 plus 3, it would send it to the adder and then it would allow signals to come through. As you can see, the other ones, it does not let the signal come through. Um, yeah, that's what we have so far. So, it's good. I'll be back when I'm done with the registers, and then the CPU should be done. Alright, for this, my idea is repeater locking, which can store memory, it can save it, and then we can easily take it out with a redstone line after it's saved. So, like, if it unlocks for a tick, it saves it, even if the output is, or the input is off, it'll save the state. So, this is my idea for the registers. Alright, I am back, and now I have this, which is the register thing. So, um, let's say we want to input at 3, and then we're going to write that to address number 1. And then, I should probably change these to buttons, or at least the top input to buttons, as the top input uses repeater locking. Then you can read from, did I set it as 1? Yeah, 1. And it shows the 3. And then you can just clear it by having no numbers in and then just pressing all of them. But yeah, this works. This is kind of complicated, but it's actually not that bad, but it did take some thinking. I'm gonna hook them up and then the CPU is done. Alright, the CPU is now done. I just hooked it up. I also moved the outputs over here instead of over here so that it could read it easier. But yes, this is the CPU. It's pretty massive. And this is like the most important part of the whole thing, and I'll just test it out. I guess the only way for me to really test it is just by doing this. I'll save it to register 1, a 1 to register 2, and okay, wait, I might have to change something. Alright, so I have the registers hooked up. I also had to make it so that there are 2 outputs instead of 1, which I did pretty easily. Decided to build this, which is the RAM for the whole thing. I don't know if it's a RAM or a ROM because you have to like manually input it in for it to work like this. Then I do this. Oh wait, that's that. And then it shows those. But yeah, that's basically what it does. Is it's like an assembly language, which is the lowest level language that a computer can read, and it allows you to code it. So this is all like coding, kind of. Okay, I'm moving this using some commands, and it's 111,000 blocks. I am finally done with this computer, and I was thinking about doing a screen, but I decided not to because I didn't know how I wanted to hook everything up or what type of screen to do. So I'm just not. But yes, everything is hooked up. The tick speed and the pulses are correct, which actually took a while. But with that being said, the computer is done. Yeah.